5 beautiful birds that are hard to believe are real. Number 5. The Himalayan monal, also known as the Impeyan monal, Impeyan pheasant, is a bird in the pheasant family, Phasianidae. It is the national bird of Nepal, where it is known as the Danfi, and state bird of Uttarakhand, India, where it is known as the manal. The Himalayan manal is a relatively large-sized pheasant, about 70 centimeters long. The adult male has multicolored plumage throughout, while the female, as in other pheasants, is dull in color. Notable features in the male include a long, metallic green crest, coppery feathers on the back and neck, and a prominent white rump that is most visible when the bird is in flight. The tail feathers of the male are uniformly rufous, becoming darker towards the tips, whereas the lower tail coverts of females are white, barred with black and red. Number 4. Male mandarin ducks are possibly the most colorful of the entire lot of birds. It has a red bill and a red face, along with a large white crescent above the eye. The chest is purple-lined with 2 vertical white bars. The flanks have 2 orange sails at the back. The female mandarin duck is much less striking in comparison. Though their numbers are dwindling in China and Russia as a result of export and destruction of habitat, mandarin ducks can be found in small numbers all over the world, including Japan, the United States, and Great Britain. Number 3. Quetzals are native to the humid highlands of Mexico and Guatemala and belong to the trogon family. These birds have an iridescent green coloring in their wings, chest, and head, while their belly is a shade of fiery red. Females are colored slightly different, with hints of brown and gray. The resplendent quetzal is the national bird of Guatemala and is also the name of the currency. Also, this species, along with the eared quetzal, are facing a near-threatened status. Number 2. Also known as diamond pheasant, Lady Amherst's pheasant is native to southwestern China and far northern Myanmar, but has been introduced elsewhere. The adult male is 100 to 120 centimeters, 23 inches in length, its tail accounting for 80 centimeters of the total length. It is unmistakable with its neutral cape, white-black with a red crest. The long gray tail and rump is red, blue, dark green, white, and yellow plumage. The cape can be raised in display. This species is closely related to the golden pheasant, but has a yellow eye, blue-green bare skin around it. The bill is horn-colored, and they have blue-gray legs. Despite the male's showy appearance, these birds are very difficult to see in their natural habitat, which is dense, dark forests with thick undergrowth. Whilst they can fly, they prefer to run, but if startled, they can suddenly burst upwards at great speed with a distinctive wing sound. Number 1. The birds of paradise comprise several species known for the brightly colored plumage of the male members. These birds are native to the forests of New Guinea and its neighboring islands, where they make up respectable count. Here is lesser bird of paradise, which is maroon with a yellow crown and a brownish-yellow upper back. The males have a dark emerald green throat, a pair of long tail wires comprising ornamental flank plumes, which are deep yellow at their base, going ombre on the outward.